How to get $80 Frontier Airlines coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box, type in Frontier coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. Once you're in the website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Here you can just scroll down and check out the offers, 90% off, 10% off, 50% off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on Redeem at Frontier Airlines. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can log into your account, book your flight, vacation, hotel or cars, and then proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Over there, type in your code and then confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Frontier. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out this one website, Simply Codes. This is also the legit website where you're going to find offers and deals for Frontier. So this is how you can easily get up to $80 working coupon code for Frontier Airlines. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.